Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will let you know how to fix a stuck zipper. Lubricate the zipper with graphite. When your zipper just won't budge, applying a lubricant can get it moving. Try rubbing graphite on your zipper's teeth to lubricate them. Apply laundry soap. When graphite doesn't work, apply a dab of laundry soap to your stuck zipper. The soap may add an extra level of lubrication that will help you get the zipper unstuck. Wash the item and lubricate it. If graphite or laundry detergent don't work, you may want to launder the item and try again. Ultimately, washing the item may help remove dirt, grime and other objects that hinder your ability to close the zipper. After you wash it, apply more lubricant. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.